Welcome to today's discussion on the future of MetaStock, one of the leading software platforms for technical analysis and stock market research. In this video, we'll explore the exciting new features and enhancements that MetaStock has in store for its users. We'll cover the following topics today: the latest advancements in MetaStock's technical analysis capabilities, the integration of big data and artificial intelligence in MetaStock, new tools for backtesting and portfolio management, the expansion of MetaStock's market data and news feeds, the improvements in MetaStock's user interface and customization options, the future roadmap for MetaStock's product development. Let's start with the latest advancements in MetaStock's technical analysis capabilities. MetaStock has always been at the forefront of providing the most advanced tools for analyzing stock charts and market trends. In the coming years, MetaStock is set to take this to the next level with the integration of machine learning and artificial intelligence. With the use of big data and AI, MetaStock users will be able to quickly and accurately identify patterns and trends in the stock market, improving their ability to make informed investment decisions. This will be a game changer for traders and investors who want to stay ahead of the curve. Another exciting development in MetaStock is the integration of big data and artificial intelligence. With the increasing availability of market data and news, it can be overwhelming to make sense of it all. MetaStock's AI-powered tools will help users process and analyze this data, providing a clear and actionable view of the market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the ability to quickly and easily access relevant market information will be invaluable. With MetaStock's big data and AI integration, you'll have a competitive edge that sets you apart from the crowd. Another important aspect of MetaStock's future is the expansion of its tools for backtesting and portfolio management. With the increasing complexity of the stock market, it's more important than ever to have a solid understanding of how different stocks and trading strategies will perform over time. MetaStock's backtesting capabilities will be further enhanced to provide users with a more accurate and detailed view of their potential investments. Additionally, MetaStock's portfolio management tools will be updated to provide users with a more comprehensive view of their investments, including real-time performance updates, risk management tools, and detailed reports. With these enhancements, MetaStock will be the go-to platform for managing your investments. The expansion of MetaStock's market data and news feeds are another important aspect of its future. In the coming years, MetaStock will continue to provide users with the most up-to-date and comprehensive market information available. This will include real-time market data and news, as well as advanced tools for tracking and analyzing this information. With MetaStock's real-time market data and news feeds, you'll always be in the know and never miss a beat. Whether you're monitoring a specific stock or keeping an eye on the market as a whole, MetaStock will provide you with the information you need to make informed investment decisions. In addition to its technical capabilities, MetaStock is also focused on improving its user interface and customization options. The platform will be updated to provide users with a more intuitive and user-friendly experience, while also allowing for greater customization and personalization. With MetaStock's improved user interface and customization options, you'll be able to tailor the platform to your specific needs, whether you're a professional trader or a casual investor. This will allow you to focus on the information that's most important to you, making your stock analysis and investment decisions even easier. Finally, let's take a look at the future roadmap for MetaStock's product development. The company is committed to providing its users with the most advanced and comprehensive platform for technical analysis and stock market research. In the coming years, MetaStock will continue to innovate and improve, adding new features and capabilities to its already impressive offering. Whether you're a current MetaStock user or just exploring the platform for the first time, the future is bright for this cutting-edge software. With its advanced technical analysis capabilities, big data and AI integration, and user-friendly interface, MetaStock is set to be the go-to platform for stock market research and investment decisions. So that's a brief look at the exciting future of MetaStock. If you're interested in learning more about this cutting-edge software and its capabilities, be sure to visit MetaStock's website and download the platform today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.